friends, I'm Tasir. Welcome back to my YouTube channel TCN Editing. In this video I am going to show you how to create beautiful color grades in Photoshop. I color graded this image to this image. So let's get started. First go to Camera Raw filter. Then go to Presents. I think this is good for my picture. Then I go to Basic, make the settings match your image. Then create a new layer. Take the brush tool and select black and make the new layer black. Then go to Filter, Render, Lens Flare. I increase the brightness. Now OK. Then change this to Multiply. Now move this to match the photo. Then I blur my background. Now our image is ready. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and I'll see you in the next video.